All we have to do, guys, is soak with water. Soak in the water with lemons. You know, the lemons is the good mixture for this, so that it will not become brown. Look, it's not brown because we have lemons. Sa ating apple crumble, ang first mixture is brown sugar. So we have here brown sugar, guys. We have here starch. We have cinnamon. And we have 1 piece of lemon. So all we have to do is to take out our apple and put it in our pan. It's just there. Here's a lemon, there's a lemon. So you know why you have to soak this, guys? Because we are going to cook this a little bit with our cornstarch. So we have to cook this one now. We're going to add our cornstarch. Our cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You have to mix it first, guys. And 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. One. Ang daming cinnamon, ha? 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. 1/2 cup of our sugar. 1/2 cup of our sugar. Last is our lemon. So we have to mix add our lemon here, guys. Mix our lemon, and then we have to cook this one. Then next, you have to mix this one because of the starch, you see. So make sure that we incorporate all this so that's easy for the starch to cook. So the water that soaks, guys, you see this water? So it's nice if you soak our apple crumble with water so that we have water when we cook it. Because the only liquid that we're going to add aside from soaking our apple is the lemon. So ayan siya. We'll just mix it. Ayan siya. Oh, luto na. Okay, then this is cooked. Wow, napakadali ano. So ito na ang ating apple mixture. Look at that. Oh, that's so beautiful. I can't wait to eat it. So all we have to do is mix ang ating second mixture, which is the crumble. Okay, let's do it now. For our crumble, we have to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. One cup brown sugar. I will add 1 cup of sugar for this crumble, but you can adjust, guys. You can use 1/2 sugar or 3/4 cup of brown sugar. So it's up to you if you want sweet or not. My nutmeg. We add 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg first, and then we're going to slice our butter. Ayan siya. So ito ang ating butter. We will add our butter and then we're good. Ayan, si butter. Ilagay lang natin siya, guys, and then we have to mix it, butter together with our flour. Para diretso na yan siya. And ilagay natin top with sa crumble. Ayan siya. Ay, nagmusika na sa asawa ko. Dalian natin ito dahil baka makapiright tayo sa music, ha? Ayan, nagkana sino yung isa. Nag-umpisa na sa ano niya. Lang siya ka-simple. Just mix the apple crumble. So this is our crumble, guys, with 1/2 cup of butter in it. You see the butter there? You have to cut the butter too. We'll add a little crumble sa bottom niya para hindi siya didikit. And then we're going to add our apple mixture. And then top with the remaining crumble. Ayan siya ang ating layering sa ating apple crumble. Looks so yummy. Ayan. Tama lang talaga siya. It's not runny, parang dumidikit dahil we add 1 tablespoon of starch. Ooh, so good. So, sa topping natin guys ay crumble, and then we're going to bake 380 for 45 minutes. Ayan. So, ayan lang ang ating very simple and yummy apple crumble. Okay guys, our apple crumble is ready. Oh, picture perfect. Look at that. Apple crumble again for tonight. And now guys, we are going to cut our yummy apple crumble, our favorite dessert. Oh, wow. Just need ice cream with this. This time we don't have ice cream. Oh wow, look at that. Oh. Okay guys, this is my apple crumble. It's really, you can taste the cinnamon because I put 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Oh, I like the crumble. Very cinnamony. My husband said very cinnamony. It is. Mostly in our house, guys, our dessert is always apple crumble and breakfast banana bread. You know, during lockdown, guys, we bought a lot of apples and bananas. So, ayun, hindi siya maubos-ubos. So, ang gagawin ko is to make an apple crumble. An apple crumble, dahil maluma na siya. May isang linggo, and then parang na-open ko yung isa, nag-brown na ang inside niya pag peel ko ba. So, I make it into apple crumble. But, if you have a lot of dessert, just peel it, chop it, and put in your freezer and wait for the time now. You need something to make a dessert, and you can use your apple crumble.